Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Welcome to new lesson. Today we will learn lesson 24 or Dai Niju Yonka. In this lesson we will cover kuremas, verb te form agemas, verb te form moraimas, verb te form kuremas. Read the vocabulary. Kuremas, jurete ikimasu, jurete ikimasu, okurimasu, soukai shimasu, annai shimasu, sechume shimasu, iremasu. Oji-san, oji-chan, oba-san, oba-chan. Both are same meaning. Imi, okashi, jibunde, zenbu, hokani, obento. Grammar. We learn kuremas. This verb is used when someone gives to speaker or speaker's family members. In English language, we have give is a word which is using if you give anyone. When someone give to you also, we can use give word. If XYZ gives to anyone like ABC word, using give word. This is a single word, you can use in all situations. But in Japanese language, when we give to someone or when I give to someone, then agemasu. If Tanaka-san gives to someone else, like Tanaka-san wa Sato-san ni hono agemasu. In a situation when I say someone gives to me and my family members, I can't use agemasu word. Means I cannot say Tanaka-san wa watashi ni hono agemasu. I cannot say that word. Agemasu verb I cannot use in this situation. In this situation, we need to use kuremasu. It means kuremasu is a verb we used when someone gives to us and our family. It means someone gives to me and my family members. I cannot use this word for third person. It means I cannot say Sato-san wa Yamada-san ni hono kuremasu. I cannot say. In that case, I can use agemasu. Is that clear? Look at the sentence. Yamada-san wa watashi ni hono kuremashita. Sato-san wa ototo ni chocolate o kuremashita. Ii-san wa watashi ni present o kuremashita. Naoko-san wa imoto ni nihon no hana no hon o kuremashita. Understood? In first sentence, Yamada-san wa watashi ni hon o kuremashita. Mr. Yamada gave me a book. Watashi ni. So it is kuremashita. I am the speaker. Sato-san wa ototo ni chocolate o kuremashita. Mr. Sato gave chocolate to my younger brother. Ototo ni. Ototo means speaker's younger brother. Understood? So it takes kuremashita verb. Ii-san wa watashi ni present o kuremashita. Miss E gave me a presentation. So here verb is kuremashita. Naoko-san wa imoto ni nihon no hana no hon o kuremashita. So imoto, my younger sister, speaker's younger sister. So in this case we cannot use agemashita. It takes kuremashita verb. Hope you understand where to use verb kuremasu. Verb kuremasu is used when someone gives something to speakers and speakers' family members. Understood? Pause the video and make 2 or 3 sentences using kuremasu verb. Be te form agemasu. To do something for someone else, It takes verb te form. This can be used for either one. If you do or did something for someone, means if speaker do or did something for someone. Second, if someone do or did something for some other person. It means we can use this grammar form or this grammar pattern for third person. Look at the sentence, you can understand properly. 私は木村さんに傘を貸してあげました。サントスさんは田中さんに街の地図を書いてあげました。松本さんはタオポンさんに道を教えてあげました。妹はおばあさんに手紙を読んであげました。私は友達にインド料理を作ってあげました。Here, 私は木村さんに傘を貸してあげました。貸してあげました。I lent a umbrella to Miss Kimura. Understood? Next. サントスさんは田中さんに街の地図を書いてあげました。Here, who do for whom? サントスさん did for 田中さん。What サントスさん did? 街の地図を書いてあげました。It means Mr. Santosh drew a map of the town for Mr. Tanaka. Understood? It can use for the third person. It means as per the second rule. Next, come to third sentence. 松本さんはタオポンさんに道を教えてあげました。Who did? 松本さん did. For whom? For タオポンさん。道を教えてあげました。Miss Matsumoto told Mr. Tawapon the way. Understood? Next, fourth sentence. 妹はおばあさんに手紙を読んであげました。Who did? 妹、my younger sister. For whom? おばあさん。To my grandma. 手紙を読んであげました。Means, my younger sister read the letter for my grandmother. Next, 私は友達にインド料理を作ってあげました。Who did? I did. 私。For whom? For my friends. 友達に。インド料理を作ってあげました。I made Indian dishes for my friends. Understood? Where to use te form あげます。Where we do something for someone. In that case, we use verb te form あげます。Understood? Pause the video and write 2 or 3 sentences so you never forget the grammar form. Verb te form もらいます。As like verb te form あげます。We can also use verb te form もらいます。When someone do something for us, means we receive. Look at the sentence. 私は木村さんに CD を貸してもらいました。私は田中さんに街の地図を書いてもらいました。私は久美さんに佐藤さんの紹介してもらいました。私はワンさんに写真を見せてもらいました。In first sentence, 私は木村さんに CD を貸してもらいました。I borrowed the CD from 木村さん。私は田中さんに街の地図を書いてもらいました。As I received, so it is もらいました。I heard from Mr. Tanaka draw a map of the town. 私は久美さんに佐藤さんの紹介してもらいました。I heard Miss Kumi introduced Miss Sato. もらいました。I received. Watashi wa wan-san ni sashin no misete moraimashita. I heard Mr. Wan show me the pictures. Understood? How to use be for moraimasu? Please pause the video and write 2 or 3 sentences. Verb for kuremasu. We already learned where to use kuremasu. In a situation where we express someone gives to the speaker and speaker's family members. Here someone do something for the speakers and speaker's family members. Look at here. Kimura-san wa watashi ni CD o kasite kuremashita. Mr. Kimura lent me a CD. Tanaka-san wa watashi ni machi no chizu o kaite kuremashita. Mr. Tanaka draw the map of her town for me. Kumi-san wa watashi ni Sato-san o shoukai shite kuremashita. Miss Kumi introduced Miss Sato to me. Wan-san wa watashi ni sashin o misete kuremashita. Mr. Wan show me the pictures. Here Kimura-san, Tanaka-san, Kumi-san, Wan-san takes wa particle and I take ni particle. Instead of watashi, you can write imoto, ototo, oto-san, oka-san. On family members' name, you can make sentence. Verb takes for kuremasu or kuremashita. Pause the video and write 2 or 3 sentences. Next. Friendship. Ichiban. Naoko-san wa watashi ni hou no kuremashita. Naoko-san wa watashi ni hana o kuremashita. Naoko-san wa watashi ni okashi o kuremashita. 2番、私はワットさんに CD を貸してあげました。私はワットさんに日本語を教えてあげました。私はワットさんに街を案内してあげました。3番、私はグプタさんに広島へ連れて行ってもらいました。私はグプタさんに旅行の写真を見せてもらいました。私はグプタさんに引っ越しを手伝ってもらいました。Exercise for you. Example sentence is given over here. Ruby chan wa Teresa chan ni hana o agemasu. So from question number 1 to 4, please choose the correct one in between both. Pause the video and do it now. Then you check with the answer. 1番 question number 1. Watto san wa watashi ni eigo no jiso o kuremashita. Who gave? Watto san gave. To whom? To me. As it is speaker, me. So kuremashita will go, not agemashita. Agemashita is not the correct form. Watashi wa Karina san ni daigaku o annai shite moraimashita. 3番 駅で友達に細かいお金を貸してもらいました。Who received? I received. As it is here ni particle, so もらいました will go. 父は私にセーターを送ってくれました。Here, who gave? 父 give. My father, to whom? To me. 私に so it takes くれました。Understood? Where to use あげます where to use くれます and where to use もらいます Generally people confuse in くれます and もらいます but there is a simple formula to remember whether you need to use くれます and もらいます The simple formula is the person who gives it should be in the topic of the sentence with wa particle or sometimes you find with ga particle. If the topic of the sentence will with wa particle or ga particle, and to whom you give me the speaker and speakers related family members, it will take ni particle, then it will go kuremas or kuremasita verb. So in which one watosan wa watashi ni eigo no jiso o kuremasita, or watosan ga watashi ni eigo no jiso o kuremashita. In this case kuremas verb will go. Where it will come moraimasita? When the receiver with wa particle. Here receiver is ni particle. This is the first difference. Second is here the person who gave or do for me, that person is comes ni particle. But here it is wa particle or ga particle sometimes comes. In Sanban, ekide tomodachi ni komakai okane o kasite moraimashita. Here the person who do for me in ni particle. So it is take moraimashita. Here chichi wa watashi ni seita o okute kuremashita. In this sentence, who sent, the person is comes wa particle to me. So it is ni particle. That is the reason it take kuremasita, not agemasita. Even if also moraimashita are wrong. So hope you understand how to use kuremas, agemas and moraimas. Now kanji time. Meaning of this kanji: much, many, kunyomi oi, onyomi ta. Oi, much, many. Tasu, large number. This kanji is very easy, like to katakana ta. Next, meaning of this kanji: a few, a little. Kunyomi sukunai, sukoshi, onyomi so. Sukoshi, a few or a little. Taso, more or less. Meaning of this kanji: go or to conduct. Kunyomi, iku, okonau. Onyomi, gyo or go. Iku, to go. Okonau, to carry out or to conduct. Meaning of this kanji: come. Kunyomi kuru, onyomi rai. Kuru, to come. Rai getchu, next month. My dear friends, there is a different kanji video for N5 level student. Please go with that, so you will get more word, kanji quiz and sentences. So it will help you more in JLPT N5 exam. Today's lesson is this much. Hope this lesson give you some knowledge. Share with your friends if you think they will get benefit from this lesson. Let's meet in next class with new lesson, new grammar and some more new kanji. Till that time, stay healthy, stay safely. Sayonara. Goodbye.